Alright, I finally got the timing cover off this old Mopar dump truck. I am investigating a timing issue. The timing chain has a little bit of slop, and let me get a flashlight. Try to get this lined up. There you go. So with the timing slop that is happening, it's a hair off, a little RCF, maybe a little more than that, but it's just enough to cause the timing for the advanced timing on the distributor to not be correct. Don't hate me for the Chevy distributor style. I didn't do it. That was the previous owner. I would have kept the original distributor and just put an MSD box on it and deleted the old ignition or something. But I will update you when I get this further along. It shouldn't take me long now. I'll probably have it together tonight. I'm not sure. And then I have a clutch slave cylinder to replace down there for the hydraulic clutch system. It is leaking. Might upgrade the brake master cylinder. The brakes failed on me last time. I was drifting this bad boy around the crabapple tree in the back. It's okay. I know how to drive. I can stop anything. But I will fix her up and get her back on the road and try to use what it's intended for and not hot rod the dump truck. I swear. Maybe.